Namaste everyone, this is Rajesh. In this lecture we are going to see few problems of practice set 7.4. Now see the first question. In figure 7.43, A is the center of the circle, angle ABC is 45 degree and AC is equals to 7 root 2. Find the area of segment BXC. So we have to find area of segment BXC, right? Now there are two ways in which I can find area of segment BXC. One way is that I will first find area of sector A BXC and then I subtract area of triangle ABC, or else I will use the formula for area of segment, which is R square. I will write, if I write, so area of segment, the formula is R square in bracket pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta divided by 2, where this theta is nothing but this central angle. Okay, this central angle is theta. So I use this formula directly, or I first find area of sector, this R square pi theta upon 360, this is area of sector, and half R square sin theta divided by 2, this is area of triangle ABC, in which case this angle theta is this central angle. Now to apply this formula we should have the knowledge of trigonometry. Now in 10th standard you have a chapter called trigonometry. In that chapter we will understand what is sin theta, cos theta, like those things, and how to calculate their values. But here in this lesson we can remember the value of sin theta for some angles that I will discuss with you in a while. Now here I am not using that formula. I am going to find the area of segment by using formula area of sector minus area of triangle. So let us first erase this, what we have done, and write what we say, what is given and what we have to find, and then related formulas, and then we will solve. Okay, so first if I write what is given, so you can see angle ABC is given. Angle ABC is 45 degree and value of AC is given, that means radius is given. Radius is 7 root 2. These two informations are given, and what we have to find? So we have to find area of segment BXC. This is what we have to find. So let us start solution. Now we have to first find this central angle. Okay, this BAC, we have to find area of triangle, or we have to find area of this sector. For that I want this angle A. So in triangle you can see that in triangle BAC angle B, you can say that angle ABC, this is equals to angle ACB. Okay, why? These are angles opposite to equal sides. So angles opposite to radius, I can say that. So this is isosceles triangle. Since you can say triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So this is the reason I will say that angle ABC equal to angle ACB. Now angle ABC is 45, so this is equals to 45. Now sum of three angles of triangle is 180 degree. So here angle BAC plus angle ABC plus angle ACB, their addition is 180 degree. The reason is sum of angle of triangle. So therefore angle BAC plus this ABC is 45 degree, this ACB is 45 degree. So I will get this angle BAC as 180 degree minus 45, I will get 90 degree. So this central angle is 90 degree. I will consider let this angle BAC is theta degree. So the value of theta degree is 90 degree. Now area of sector ABXC, area of sector ABXC is, the formula is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So let us see if they have given some value for pi. Nothing they have given. So I will say theta is 90 degree. So it is 90 divided by 360 into value of pi I will take 22 upon 7, and to radius is 7 root 2. So it is 7 root 2 into 7 root 2. Now this 90 will cancel, this 7 will cancel, this 22 will cancel, I have 11 here and 2 here. So here we have 11 into root 2 into root 2 is 2, and then I have 7 whole divided by 2. So this 2 will also cancel. So 11 7s are 77. So area of sector ABXC is 77, unit is centimeter. So I will say that this is 77 centimeter square. So here I will say that therefore area of sector BXC is equal to 77 centimeter square. Okay. Now area of triangle. Now in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree. Therefore area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base into height. So here you can see that this angle is 90 degree. Base, if I take AB, so height is AC. So I will say that AB into AC. Now the value of AB and AC both are same, both are equal to radius. So it is half into AB is 7 root 2 into AC is 7 root 2. So this gives me 7 into 7 into 2 divided by 2. This 2 cancels and I will get 7 7 the 49 centimeter square. Now area of segment, I can say that this is my second equation and here this as my first equation. So now area of segment BXC will be equals to area of sector ABXC minus area of triangle ABC. So area of sector we have got 77 and area of triangle we got 49. So 77 minus 49. So this is 77 minus 49. 17 minus 9 is 8. 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is 28 centimeter square. This is your area of segment. So have you understood, right, how we done this question? Now there is one more method, na? Direct I use formula. So direct what I can say that area of segment, this is second method we are discussing. Area of segment BXC is equals to, I will write r square. Here I will say that pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Okay. So r square is 7 root 2 the whole square. The value of pi is 22 upon 7. The value of theta is 90 whole divided by 360 minus the value of sin theta. Value of sin theta means sin 90 degree upon 2. Now the value of sin 90 is 1. You have to, I said that you have to remember the trigonometric ratios for standard angle. So for 0 degree the value is 0, for 30 degree the value is 1 upon 2, for 45 degree the value is 1 upon root 2, for 60 degree it is root 3 by 2, for 90 degree it is 1. Okay, so as I remember these values, you also have to remember these values. Okay, now 7 root 2 square, 7 7s are 49 and root 2 square is 2. Inside this 90 will cancel, so what I will get? 1 upon 4. So it is 22 upon 7 I will write in denominator and into 4. Minus sin theta is 1, so it is 1 upon 2. So either I calculate this first. Okay, so this 2 2s and 11. So I will say that 49 into 2 into here inside bracket I have 11 upon 14 minus here I make the denominator same, so I multiply and divide by 7, so 7 upon 14. Now 11 minus 7 is 4, so the final answer is 49 into 2 into 4 divided by 14. Now with 2 7s are 7 7s are and 7 4s are 28, so 28 centimeter square. Now see, here also we have got 28 centimeter square and here also my answer is 28 centimeter square. So the final answer is 28 centimeter square. This is how you solve this problem. First problem we have done. Now let us move to second question. In the figure 7.44, O is the center of the circle and measure of arc PQR. So PQR measure of this arc is nothing but this central angle. So this central angle theta is given. Now here I will not write given to find, but you have to write all those things. Theta is 60 degree, it is given. OP is what? Your radius is given 10. The value of pi is given and the value of root 3 is given. Okay, find the area of shaded region. So area of shaded region. Now my shaded region is what? Shaded region is segment. Okay, so area of segment PQR. Segment PQR. The formula is r square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. Now here again you can also use the formula area of sector minus area of triangle. When you find area of triangle, you will see that as this central angle 60 degree and as this is a isosceles triangle, you will find that this angle and this angle are equal, and when you calculate you will get they are also 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle and area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side square. Root 3 by 4 into side square, right? Now here if I am not using that formula, then I use this formula r square. The value of r is 10, so it is 100. The value of pi they ask us to take 3.14. The value of theta is 60 divided by 360 minus sin theta. Now here I have sin 60 degree upon 2. So this is 100. Here this 0 cancel, 6 6 are 36. So here I have 3.14 divided by 6 minus the value of sin 60. The value of sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2. So it will become root 3 divided by 4. Okay. So this is your 100. Now if you take LCM of 6 and 4, so 6 to the 12, 12 is the LCM. So you can write this as 6.28 minus 4 3s are 12. So you write 3 into the value of root 3, they have given 1.73. Let us check again. 1.73 and 3.14 and whole divided by 6 2s are 12 we are getting, so we write 12. So this is 100. Now 6.28 minus 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, to 21 1 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So it is 5.19 whole divided by 12. So this is 100. Then inside bracket 18 minus 9 is 9, 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1.09 divided by 12. Now first I will divide this 100 by 4, or better I can divide this 1.09 also. So here better I divide with 4. So here it is 25. into 4 3s are, and here 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 25. Now 3 0 point, I will write 3 3s are 9, 1 19, 3 6s are 18, 1 carry 10, 3 3s are 9, so 3 3s are 9, it will continue like this. So I will write 25 into 0.963. Now 25 into 0.963, okay, better I divide and multiply by 4, so it will become, denominator will become, numerator will become 100, so multiplication by 100 is easy. Okay, you can do that way, or just simply multiply this 0.963 by 25. 0.963 you multiply by 25. This is also not too difficult. 5 3s are 15, 1 5 6 are 30, 31, 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 3 48, and then 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 1 19. Here it is 5, here it is 7, 10, and 5, 9 plus 5 or 10 plus 4 14, and 2. So 1 2 3, after 3 point I use a decimal, so my answer is 24.075. okay, 24.075 centimeter square is the area of segment in this case, right? So by using formula also you can find, only you have to remember the trigonometric ratios for 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, like that. Now let us see this third question. Again here we have to find area of segment PQR. What is given? This angle, this central angle is given 30 degree. So here I have theta as 30 degree. AP, that is radius, the value of radius is 7.5. The value of pi which we have to use is 3.14. Area of segment we have to find. So again, area of segment, what is the formula for area of segment? So area of segment PQR is equals to R square. Inside bracket we have pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta divided by 2. So here R square, 7.5 square, you will say 7.5 multiplied by 7.5. The value of pi is 3.14 into the value of theta is 30 divided by 360 minus the value of sin theta. The value of sin theta means sin 30, it is sin 30 upon 2. So 7.5 into 7.5, right? So 7 is a 56.25. okay, so a little bit Vedic mathematics I am using. So whenever the ending unit place is 5, okay, then to find a square, what we are doing, we are multiplying this place with the next number. So 7 multiplied by 8, 56, then after that we write 25. So here as it is 7.5, so my square is 56.25. Now inside this 0 cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are, so here I have 3.14 divided by 12 minus sin 30. So value of sin 30 is 1 upon 2, so it will become 1 upon 4. So here this is 56.25 minus into, this is into, now 4 3s are 12, so this is 3.14 upon 12 minus this will become 3 upon 12. So this is 56.25 into, here it is 3.14 minus 3 whole divided by 12. So this is equal to 56.25. 3.14 minus 3 gives you 0.14 divided by 12. So this is 56.25 into, with 4 or with 2, first I will calculate, or directly with 12 we can divide, but okay fine. This is 2 6s, this is 2 7s, because 1 is not dividing. So now here it is 0.0, 6 1s are 6, 10, 6 1s are 6, 4 40, 6 6 are 36, 4 40, 6 6 are, so it will like that. So I will say that 56.25 multiplied by 0.0116, so I will write 117. Now 56.25 into 0.117, here we multiply. On rough paper you are doing these things. 16.25, you are multiplying this with 0.0117. So after decimal, 2 or 3 digit is sufficient, so I will write this as 56.25 into 0.012 is better approximation. So instead of doing that much calculation, I will multiply by 0.012. So 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 1 5, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 1 11, then 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6s are 6, 1 5s are 5, and then with 0 if I do, so everything is 0. So what I will get 0 0 5, 6 plus 2 8, and 5 plus 1 6. So after 1 2 3, after 1 2 3 I put decimal. So my answer of this multiplication is approximately equal to 68.5. So 68.5 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, so for question number 3, the answer is 68.5. So the problem is simple. Okay, only you have to remember few things. You have to remember some values for sine of this central angle, and calculation should be perfect. Rest all thing is easy. Now say this fourth question. In figure 7.46, if O is the center, here if you see O is the center, if O is the center of circle PQ, in the figure 7.46, if O is the center of circle, PQ is the chord, angle POQ is 90 degree, area of shaded region is 114, so area of the shaded region is 114. Find the radius of circle. We have to find radius of the circle. So R we have to find out. Okay, radius we have to find out. Area of shaded region is given. So area of this OPRQ, this is given 114 centimeter square. Okay, this is given, right? And angle, this central angle theta is also given. This theta is 90 degree. And the value of pi, yes, value of pi is 3.14. Now I have to find the value of R. What we have to find? We have to find what is R. So we know that area of this shaded region OPRQ, this is R square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. So this gives me R square. The value of R square we don't know. Here the area is 114. So 114 we know. Into value of pi is 3.14. Fine. Into value of theta is 90. Divided by 360 minus value of sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. So 1 upon 2. So here we get R square. 0 0 will cancel. 9 4s are. So it is 3.14 upon 4 minus, here I will write 2 upon 4. Okay, and here it is 114. So 114 equal to R square. 3.14 minus 2 is 1.14 divided by 4. So the value of R square will be 114 into 4 divided by 1.14. Now 114 divided by 1.14, you will get 100. So 100 into 4. So R square is 400. The value of R square is 400. Therefore, the value of R is 20. So radius is 20. Okay. Radius is 20. So I will say that radius is 20. Now we have to find radius. Find the radius. So therefore radius. Therefore what we say? Therefore radius is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now see the last question. A chord PQ of a circle with radius 15 centimeter subtend an angle 60 degree with the center of the circle. So again theta is 60 degree, radius is 15 centimeter. Find the area of minor as well as major segment. So area of minor segment and area of major segment, this we have to find out. So area of major segment is what? Area of major segment is area of circle minus area of minor segment. So area of minor segment first let us find. So area of minor segment is equals to r square pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2. So value of pi is given and value of root 3 is given. Fine. So this is r square. Value of r is 15. So it is 15 square. Value of pi is 3.14 into value of theta. Value of theta is 60 degree. So I will write 60 divided by 360 minus value of sin theta is root 3 upon 2 and whole divided by 2. Okay. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. So this is 225. This 0 cancel, 6 6 are. So it is 3.14 divided by 6 minus this is root 3 divided by 4. So here it is 225. Now the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. Okay. So I multiply this with 2. So it becomes 6.28 divided by 12 minus I multiply this by 3. So it is 3 into root 3 is 1.73 divided by 12. So this is 225 6.28 minus 3 3 is 9, 3 7 is 21, 3 1 is 3 plus 2 5. So 5.19. 5.19 whole divided by 12. So this gives me 225 into 8 minus 18 minus 9. So 18 minus 9 will be 9. So 18 minus 9 will be 9. 1 minus 1 is 0 and then this is 1. 1.09 divided by 12. So 225 into 1.09 divided by 12. So again we multiply this 225 into 1.09. As you are comfortable in calculation, I do this with calculator. Okay, but you have to do manually. This 225 will be multiplied by 1.09 and we have to divide this by 12. So approximately we are getting 20.44. So approximately what we are getting? 20.44 centimeter square. This is area of minor segment. Now area of circle. Area of a circle if I say. So area of circle is pi r square, that is 3.14 into value of r is 15. So 3.14 into 15 square. Again 3.14 into 15 into 15. The result is 706.15. 706.15. Okay. So this will give me, actually this area is too big now. 225, 706 pi r square 225 into, and here what we got 3.14, 6 6 are 3.14 divided by 6 and here it is root 3 divided by 2 sin 60 degree. Sin 60, okay, sin 60, 3 upon root 2. So then what we have done, taken the LCM. This is 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. Okay, fine. Maybe. Okay, if there is any calculation mistake, you check. So area of circle, what we got? We got this as 706.15 centimeter square. Now area of major segment, if I say area of major segment, so area of major segment is what? Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, right now. So for segment we are finding area, na? So it will come 20.44. Yeah, it will come small. Now area of circle we have got 706.15 minus area of minor segment we have got 20.44. So 20.44. So what we get? 5 minus 4 is 1. Then 11 minus 4 is 7. Then here it is 6 minus 0 or 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Then 0 minus 2, so that is 10 minus 2 is 8, and this is 6. So 685.71 centimeter square. This is your area of major segment. So this is how we solve all the problems related with area of segment. Okay, so we have not discussed concept, but area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. The formula for area of triangle is half into r square sin theta, right? So I stop my lecture here. We meet in next lecture. See some more problems. Thank you.